All right, today I have a Maserati Krakale, and I'm going to show you how to lay the rear seats down flat so you can have more cargo space inside of your Maserati Krakale. I'm gonna go over with that. I'm gonna go over both sides. Now, before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, you can give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the rear seats of the Maserati Grecale. In order to lay the seats down, what you want to do is you'll come in right here, and you'll want to make sure that the front seats are up forward enough so where the back seats, when they lay them down, they're not hitting the front seat, preventing the back seats from coming down. All right, so once you've done that, all you have to do is look down right here, and there is a pulley right here. You see this? I'm gonna pull this, now watch what happens, okay? The back seat has come down right there, and look, you have more cargo space in here that you can actually use. You see, you have the seats right here. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk to the other side, because you can't just do one side without the other, right? So I'm going to open it up, and on the other side there is also this pulley system right here. So what you'll do is you'll take your hand, pull it like that. Look at that. Look at all that cargo space that you have in there. And you have this cover right here. You can just pop this out, and then you have even more cargo space. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.